candlelights back on the eastern shore. With my history of wrecks, I think it's time to check rat trap of life once more. It is a relative thing these days, borders on design. High-tech world is full of bright shiny things, think that we really require. Sometimes more than others, you see who and what and where you are. I'm a one-man band with no immediate plans. Tonight I just need my guitar. Don't need to feel important or famous, no limos or my little Nash car. I'm a lucky man with my feet in the sand. Tonight I just need my guitar.